To begin, unplug the user handset and connect the Actuator reset handset. Press and hold the 2-0 reset buttons simultaneously for approximately 5 seconds until an audible beep is emitted. To confirm, simply press the raise button to access the main LCD screen and verify that the lift cycle count, total work completed and lift overloads have all reverted to 0. In addition, you will also need to reset the service counter. For guidance, please refer to the video entitled Resetting the Service Counter and Lift Overloads.